a bird. We're gonna try to catch it. That ugly fucker got it. Did you really get it?
Yeah.
You're ugly.
It's okay, little fella. You're going back outside.
Oh, got a bird. Hit you, Indian.
Close that door.
It can't.
Why?
Because it needs the air out in there. Because they did the fucking... whatchamacallit? It's still in your shirt.
Oh, it is too.
Fucker almost shit on me.
Huh?
So that fucker almost shit on me. Little bitch, almost shit on me. Little bitch. Look at Moo. He's rough and stuff with his Afro puff. Come on, pose now. You're fucking dumb.